Development experts have described roads as the arteries through which the economy pulses. It is a succinct description that portrays the crucial contributions of roads to economic growth and development. Bloomshan Nigeria visited Kogi Central Senatorial District and reports that already constructed roads and those under construction deliver access to markets, education, healthcare, and jobs, making their construction and maintenance high priority for any administration intent on combating poverty and instigating statewide growth. Those who spoke to Bloomshan Nigeria said Governor Yahaya Bello's administration has proven itself an exceptional model in this regard. Keenly aware of the role of good roads in aiding economic development and opportunities which open to private investors and also communities, the administration embarked on an unprecedented statewide repair and construction of roads, it was learned.
I'm the community chairman of this area, Oriete Suwete Ward. We appreciate so much what government has done concerning this road.
The citizen of this Ibira land in Okene local government, we are very happy to do it the way I'm seeing this town now, because this road, since around during the time of Alaja Demu, they did it. So since then they don't do anything. But this time around, we're happy that already do it. It's good to move our Okada not the spoil again. So we're happy to see how the road is there all right now. We are very grateful.
I live around this area. This road is the road that leads from Agembe Street to Inike village and so forth. So in Okene, so the governor has done well for us. The road has been bad before now, but now he has started and we are happy about that. God should bless him and give him his wish.
Of note is the reconstruction of the 14.6-kilometer Okene Township Road with drainage on both sides. Though in different stages of its construction, it was observed that some of the roads visited had direct impact on the people.
Create this road, try this road for Agasa, Bogoro, and checkpoint to Benin City is the one that make us happy in this road.
House is inside, right inside here. Before the construction of this road, there is nothing like this, and we didn't even expect that something like this is going to happen. We thank God that His Excellencies put the peoples in these areas in mind to think that this road is supposed to be constructed and for the benefit of the peoples in the communities. And we too will really appreciate, we are very happy. If we didn't have such a governor, we cannot have this road in 100 years.
Before the road was bad and nowhere to pass, and everywhere was very corrupt. So and in fact it's my pleasure to see this kind of work moving. In fact the work was it was very wonderful.
I'm very happy with what the Yahaya Bello is done for us for this area. And again, I want to make God give more strength and more power to complete the job before he left.
The expansive nature of the road and its interconnectedness meant that 13 roads have received attention at present construction phase.
I was born and brought up here in this village. And the road, this place is shanty before. Our prayer for him, because of his enormous work he's doing, we pray for him for his future endeavor. Whatever he planned in his life, God will make it to be a successful one in future endeavor. The drainage is okay. There's nothing like drainage here before. This place there's nothing like drainage. This place is not motorable before. It is a hilly place, very hilly. So with his coming, he tried to develop all the community and the environs.
I'm a community chairman of this Ahachi here. Okay. So before, you know that we don't have road here. So when we have the governor now, the governor will make the road here. Because this road is not good before. So we pray for him that make it go up.
There is also the 12-kilometer Agasa Okpogoro Benin Bypass Road nearing completion alongside the library Inike Okene, which has been reconstructed. The 2.2-kilometer Agasa Achachi Eyinare Road is also undergoing construction. Work such as erosion control and land reclamation has been completed, just as surrounding roads are being constructed. In Okene constituency 2, Governor Yahaya Bello is reconstructing the Obeira Mankaranta Road leading to Uzuma Okengwe with stone base and asphalt overlay set to be carried out. Unlike constructions carried out by previous administration, Governor Yahaya Bello has earned a widespread commendation for insisting on excellent designs informed by the adequate study of local topography and other considerations.
Lead to Okenwe axis, go to Maga Road. We thank the governor to construct this road for us. I pray that he should finish the road in time.
This road is now not awkward again. It was very awkward before. I praise our governor, His Excellency Gov Yahaya Bello, for his effort, for signing the contract. See how straight the road is. Right from the other side, gutters were here before. All vehicles were spoiling every day. Now everything is all right.
Accordingly, his road construction include double-side drainages to address the erosion challenge the state has grappled with for long culverts, street light components, and access slabs.